Hello, guys.
What up, guys?
We're back here.
SPB Garage. Another Saturday in the shop.
Yes, that's where we are now. We have some exciting things on the list of shit to do today.
Yes.
Stuff.
Exciting.
Yeah. Hey, at least we're installing new parts.
Yes. So
we're going to finish up the suspension. We got all of our new bolts or hardware, so we can
all that
mount
stuff that
everything
we
for
showed
real.
you was like mocked up last time. That's
Yeah.
gonna get finalized.
Yeah, we're gonna put that all on. We got to wrap the other exhaust or the other header, put it on the engine, put both the headers on the engine,
And then put the transmission and the T case on the engine after we paint them. And then the drivetrain can go in the truck.
Yes.
And then we got some work to do to the transmission before we do that.
Yeah, we got to change the transmission pan gasket. We got new bushings. We got screwed on our tie rod ends. It's
Apparently
confusing.
it's really hard to find. It's a 2-year only part.
73, 74.
So, and AutoZone wants like $160 for it.
Yeah.
So we
For a
ordered it
little
online.
chunk of metal. Yeah. No, I ain't paying that.
So,
no,
yeah.
thank you. So yeah, we got that online. We got our tank straps coming. So next weekend we'll get the fuel tank and the rest of the suspension done. But luckily that won't stop us from making progress today. So hopefully if everything goes well, we'll have the drivetrain. We'll also have to mount, clean up and paint both of our drive lines.
Yeah. We're
But
gonna do
that can
stuff, so.
wait. We'll see
I
how
might have to
it
put
goes.
U-joints in it. How they are, so
They looked good.
we'll see.
Yeah, but if we're gonna go this far, we might.
Yeah.
Just replace the U-joints. They're cheap.
Exactly.
But at least if nothing else, we'll be in a good shape today if we get at least the drivetrain sitting back inside.
And the positive thing is it'll clean the shop up because any part that we have essentially laying around will be back on this hopefully.
Yeah.
And then it'll just be body panels, you know?
We'll progressively clean more and more.
Yeah, more than we put the truck back together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's
So-
like a truck.zip whenever
Yeah.
it's all connected together.
It's even better now with the axles on the truck because they were all strung about blocking the other bay door. So
Yeah.
now it's kind of nice. And then we
Exactly.
can probably just roll it out of the shop whenever we want to work on other stuff. So
Yeah.
it'd be nice.
Seriously.
I'm excited for the truck to get together and I'm excited for it to kind of be able to be out of the way.
Yeah,
So,
seriously.
yeah.
Making progress though.
Yeah. Anyways, we'll cut to the next clip. Bam!
I'm done with the exhaust wraps. Looking pretty good. This first one right here was much easier than the second one. I'm now covered in fiberglass again. I gotta trim up some of the little edges, but I think it looks pretty good. It'll work on the truck. Looks cool. Better than just straight up black. People don't do that to me. Skylar's doing this.
Getting there.
Getting closer. We
We're
got
routing brake lines, getting the motor mount cross members in so we can get our clamshells on, get ready to drop this motor in.
getting there. Now
Got
we'll-
our gearbox back on, drive links hooked up now. So
Look at all of our new stuff.
starting to finalize things. I went through and greased some of these joints. So getting there.
Yeah, dude. It's
pretty nice.
Howdy, y'all. Whoa, exciting times here in the shop.
Yep.
Look at this. This is about the easiest motor stab I think we've ever done since there's.
Yeah, we don't have to interfere with a firewall or nothing. Literally, the only thing that's out of the way is malleable. So
Yeah, exactly.
yeah. Other than that, it's just gotta go right
gimbal.
on. Oh, gimbal screwing us. Do we need to shoot another?
Nah, I think we're good. They can deal.
screw?
It just did a little wow.
gimbal. So yep, motor mounts, new clamshells are on, and all that. So we're ready. We're gonna put the engine in, and then we're gonna get our transmission that we got all fixed up. Stab that with the torque converter. Don't forget that part.
We've done it before.
Yeah.
I think when we did this last time, we forgot to put the torque converter
Yeah, I
in.
think so.
We did. I remember we did.
Yeah.
We had to drop it again.
Oh.
Put the torque converter in. Let's not do that again.
No, we didn't get it stabbed all the way. That's what.
That's what it was. Yeah.
3
So-
clicks or something like that.
Yep.
Yeah. So we got that, and then we'll wheel it back, and then go from the side, stab our T case in there.
Yeah.
T cases are really hard to put in these trucks.
They are.
whenever There's a cab on top of
freaking
it.
heavy.
They're heavy, man. And they got to go way up over the cross members.
Yeah,
so.
the T case that there's some that aren't that heavy, but the one we have is
Yeah.
a dog.
But that's why we're opting to do this when there's nothing in the way. That way we can just get all the heavy shit.
So
out of
glad.
it, So.
Last time we did it, we were rolling around in the dirt with one of our friends.
Buddies, yeah, it was like 3 o'clock in the
We
morning.
got finished up at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
He kindly donated us a Ratchet Ridge set.
Yeah, that was nice. He didn't want to dig through the dirt.
I remember us telling him not to leave that with us. And he's
Yeah.
like, it's okay, you'll take care of it.
We were, no, we won't.
We didn't take care of
So,
it. Sorry.
yeah. Well, we're gonna get this motor in, so we'll update you guys once she's mounted up.
Chevy.
Good chow. Oh my
Look at
goodness.
that. We got our drivetrain reinstalled. I mean, we got to put our drive lines in still, but look at this. I mean, shit. It looks pretty damn good. I think so.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm a little biased because we've been working on it for.
You bet your sweet baby it does.
Wouldn't be an
fall
outro
down.
if I almost didn't trip on something.
So,
Yeah, look at that though. We're pretty stoked with how it turned out. The wraps look super cool. And we'll have plenty of room back here to start working with our exhaust pipes.
yeah.
We've got all the
Plan
piping.
is we gotta do a bunch of pie cuts to get around the cross member right here, and then on the same over here we gotta get it come up over the T case, come back down, and then we have to offset our X pipe right here. So we're gonna make an X pipe, and then it's gonna come out before the tires. So, but we gotta clear the gas.
Side pipes are cool.
Yeah, side pipes.
I mean, kind of side pipes.
That way, whenever you do a burnout, it blows your smoke out to the side. You know.
This bad boy ain't gonna smoke. I'm just kidding. It's gonna smoke a little bit.
No, it smokes the tires.
Oh,
it blows the tire
yeah,
smoke
yeah.
out. Yeah.
I mean, you do it early enough in the morning.
Yeah.
Get a little condensation built up.
Yeah, it gets the tire smoke and it just kicks it out. It's gonna be pointing right at it.
Yes.
Yep, we got, after trying to figure out our key case brackets for a little while, we figured out how that goes.
Yeah,
Sometimes
took a
things
minute.
look so simple and you just take it apart, and yeah, so.
Yeah, you'd think so.
Yeah, we
Look
got
at
the
that.
frame a little
You got
dirty. We're gonna have to take it outside
red.
and wash it.
Everything's red. Red. All
Everything's red.
brand new bushings on everything.
Yep. So I think, what's next? I mean, we got a little bit of suspension to button up.
We had to
Put some
modify a bolt.
Yeah, we had to make a bolt.
We actually bought the right stuff this time. Before it was a
ARP,
pain.
yeah.
We got ARP header studs, which are 12 points. But the last one back here, we didn't. Seems like somebody had a go at it before we did, because last time we used longer bolts for this, and we didn't have any issues installing it. But the threads on that are a little bit messed up, and they're short for the header.
We had
So
to get longer thread in there.
yes,
I welded an Allen head to the top of a longer bolt, filed it all down. So looks like a regular Allen head, but
yeah. I feel
It
for
just-
the next guy's gonna have a. Of course, it's got to be in the worst possible place. So
yeah. So
if
what are the
somebody-
cabs on that? I mean, you got to think the firewall goes right here. There's no
That's-
shot you're gonna get that out. Luckily,
But we had to get it in because
So-
I don't want an exhaust leak.
Yeah.
And we're not pulling the head off and retapping that hole, especially whenever you can see
Or
the threads are good.
Other option would just be buy a different set of headers, you know. But we're already this far along in them, so
And the thing is that we know how these headers sound, and they sound.
they sound so
Good.
good. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
I want to keep it. I wanted to sound the same as it did, just a little bit less ear rapey. I mean,
Yeah.
a little bit
that's
of ear
what the
rape, but
exhaust is for. So.
exactly. We actually have mufflers this time.
Yeah.
Last time it was straight piped.
All right. So,
Smog exempt in California is pretty nice.
yeah, you get to be those guys.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good time today. Kick everything over. Show you this side too. But yeah, the wraps really, I think, bring everything together. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out.
I'm stoked. So.
And it feels good to be doing fun stuff now, you know, like actually installing things we've been working this long on. Phone.
So
Oh.
yeah. Anyways,
Cool.
this is SPB out. I think we're gonna go home, play some games, chill on our Saturday. We've been working a
Drink
lot.
some beers. Like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll be sad. Skylar won't twerk for you anymore if you don't. I love you. Bye.